I keep confusing with that with rostrum. That's a compound eye. Now the ocelli. The ocelli are just light sensitive. There's one here, right in the middle of the top of the face. That's a frons. And there's another one right, I think it's right here. I'll have to look that up.
Yeah, they're above the compound eyes.
Gina? Or Galia? Gina.
It's Galia.
Galia? We look at it to be a Galia there?
Yeah, that's what it is.
All right, that's a clypeus there. The labe rum there. Here's the maxillary palp. Now, there's a Galia and Licinia on the maxilla. Licinia was what? The toothy thing. And the other one, the Galia, is the spoon-shaped thing. Now, the bottom here, notice there's a labial palp here on the labium. The labium is the bottom part. And if I look inside, there's a little light-colored lump. That's a hypopharynx. Now, that's the mesothoracic wing. Got to remember, there's a prothorax here. This is a notatum or something coming out here. This is the mesothorax, and this is the metathorax. This is the mesothoracic wing. It's on the mesothorax. This one here, the pretty red one, that's the metathoracic wing. The lines in the metathoracic wing are trachea. Basically, dead tissue. It doesn't uses the trachea to help to blow it up, but after it's blown up, everything there dies. So you rip off butterfly's wings or rip pieces out of it. That's the end of it. There are, what's a hole that goes into the trachea? What is it?
Mouth.
Look, there's a little hole right there. Oh, that's the mesothoracic spherical. Just up under the edge of the pronotum here. Doesn't
Spherical?
This one doesn't. Can't get it up very well. Is the prothoracic spherical. Right here is the metathoracic spherical. Right behind the metathoracic spherical is the tympanium, the ear. Now notice the invaginations here on the mesothorax. There where the muscles for the mesothoracic wings are attached. These invaginations on the metathorax are where the metathoracic wing muscles are attached. Now, those muscles don't actually make the wing flap up and down. What they do is they squeeze the thorax like this, right? The wings are made like a hinge. So the hinge flaps up and down when the thorax changes its shape vertically because of the muscle. Now, the basic portion here, oh, there's a good one. You see, there's the coccyx. Is that right?
Okay.
And after the coccyx is the trochanter. Now, the trochanter and the femur are fused, even in the forelegs. This is the tibia. Those are the tarsus. Here are the tarsal claws, and that's the pulvillus on the end of it.
Pulvillus?
Once again, pulvillus.
Okay.
That's the pad. Sarah has different words for it. And see, what would you call this?
A grasshopper.
On a grasshopper, what are you going to call this plate on the bottom of the abdomen?
Sternum.
Is it going to call it a tergite? No, not a tergite, but a
Sternite.
sternite. And on the top, what are you going to call it?
Tergite.
All right, now notice that there's a little hole in every single one of those abdominal segments where they're what?
Spicules.
They're sphericals. Now this one's a male. Right? The anus is right in there. Ta-da! This is a subanal plate. That's a supraanal plate right there. And this little point right there, I think that's called a cercis. Where's the female? Gonzalez?
My female's put away. Would you like me to grab it?
There are some other parts on females, just as there are other parts on human beings, and they have names.
Okay.
Is that it?
Any question? That's what you're supposed to know.